Hi, so today I am going to tell you how we light our pellet stove. And what I do is I take about 5 scoopfuls of wood pellets, and I got this handy dandy heat gun right here, and this is how we light it. Now, for our mixture for wood pellets, we use 5 5-gallon buckets of corn per bag of Somerset wood pellets, or any other kind of wood pellets that we can get by with. So we got a granary. We live down the road from. Price of wood pellets has went up. It's a little bit insane. So we decided to use a little bit more corn than what we do pellets. And you know, corn doesn't burn the greatest, so sometimes you'll have like bumps and stuff. It's pretty dark in there. But pretty much what I do is I take this heat gun on full blast and I move it around the whole time. And once I start to get ambers, I'll focus a little bit more on that side. But this is the most efficient way. It takes about 2 minutes or so. Maybe 3, depending on who's using the heat gun. This is only like my second or third time doing this, so. But, you know, we were going through all the gel and everything like that, burning up cash every which way we went. And right now I have the furnace off, by the way. So, I'm gonna kick it on. I'm gonna leave this thing right here. Turn on the power. There we go. Now we got the airflow going. I just like to heat them up a little bit before I start. So yeah, the price in wood pellets has gone up $1 per bag, at least. I want to say last year we got some around a little under $4. Now they're all at $4.99. So I think what we're going to do next is make our own pellet mill. We're just super tired of paying outrageous prices for everything. Now, we also have a propane furnace too. Our house is pretty big. So we buy 400 gallons in propane, and then all throughout the year we're spending money left and right on wood pellets. So that's when we decided to go to corn too. So we got a hopper out there. But our mixture is 5-gallon buckets of corn per 1 bag of Somerset pellets. So here we are, we're starting to get some ambers. Smoking, it's good. Got one over here. I have one over here. It's just the most efficient way for us to light this without having to go get gel or anything else. And one side lit. Now we're going to have it all lit. Try to get this little spot over here. Don't really need to worry about it so much. It's all going to be lit up. Adjust this a little bit. Pull it out, put it back, pull it out, put it back. We usually leave it sticking out a little ways, not all the way. There you go. There's our beautiful fire. Easiest way to do it, guys, just get a heat gun. Turn it all the way up, move it back and forth, you're good to go. Now, I do not recommend putting corn in there with it because corn, like I said, is super hard to burn, and your chances of lighting that fire and keeping it lit aren't as likely as just using straight Somerset pellets. So give me a like. I hope you guys liked the video, and there will definitely be more to come.